In a land where the skies shimmered with colors unseen by modern eyes, there lay a kingdom built not of stone, but of music. This kingdom was called Melodria, and every building, every path, every river flowed in harmony with sound. The people there didn't speak as we do, they sang. Joy was a high note, sorrow a low hum, and love was a melody passed down through generations. At the heart of Melodria stood a magnificent tower made entirely of crystal strings. It resonated softly, day and night, singing the song of the realm. It was said that as long as the tower sang, the kingdom would live in peace. And for 1,000 years, it did. But as all stories go, peace rarely lasts forever. One morning, the song faltered. It missed a beat, a single note. The people froze. Birds stopped mid-flight. Trees held their breath. Then, the melody resumed, but it was different. Subtle, darker, a discord beneath the harmony. The queen of Melodria, Lyra, summoned the court of harmony, keepers of the ancient music. They studied the tower, plucked its strings, but no flaw could be found. Then an old bard stepped forward. He was blind, his voice raspy from age, but his ears were sharper than any. The note is not lost, he said. It is being silenced. Queen Lyra, wise and brave, knew what this meant. A silence weaver had awakened. Long ago, before music ruled, the world was quiet, too quiet. A creature born of stillness, the silence weaver, tried to smother the world in mute darkness. But it had been banished by the song of the realm. Now, if it returned, Melodria could fall into eternal silence. The queen turned to her daughter, Aria, a young girl with a voice purer than mountain wind. You must go, Lyra told her. Find the lost note. Restore the song. Aria, only 16, had never left the crystal city. But she felt the pull of the song, deep in her soul. With nothing but a flute carved from moonlight, she journeyed beyond the kingdom, through whispering woods, across the river of echoes, and into the shadow valleys where sound went to die. There, in the darkness, she found it, a small, trembling note, trapped in a cage of silence. The silence weaver towered nearby, a shape of nothingness, absorbing sound with every breath. Aria's heart pounded like a drum. She lifted her flute. No grand symphony came from it, only a single, trembling note. But it was hers. The weaver lunged. Aria played. The note struck the air like a spark. It ignited a song, not loud, but true. Memories flooded back. Lullabies, laughter, the first cry of newborns. The silence began to crack. Then the skies above Melodria burst with light as the tower's song returned, whole, radiant, unstoppable. The silence weaver vanished, banished once more by the strength of a single voice. Aria returned to her kingdom, not just a princess, but a legend. The Tower of Melody now sings with a new harmony, and Melodria thrives, forever remembering that even in silence, one note can bring the world back to life. Would you like a sequel or visual prompts for this story?